Hello students, in today's class we will learn about problems on Fourier transform. The problem is find the Fourier sine and cosine transform of f of x is equal to x for x greater than 0 less than 2 and 0 elsewhere. The solution of this problem we'll see now.
The problem is find the Fourier sine and cosine transform of the function f of x is equal to x for x greater than 0 less than 2 and 0 elsewhere. So solution, we need to find Fourier sine and cosine. The Fourier sine and cosine transform is given by is given by, so it is denoted at what here, sine is given by fs of u is equal to integration 0 to infinity f of x into sine of ux into dx. So this is Fourier sine transform, and Fourier cosine transform is given by fc of u is equal to integral minus infinity 0 to infinity f of x is equal to cos of ux into dx. So we know this both the transforms, and so given from the question is what here, the function f of x they have given what here, it is x where x greater than 0 less than 2 and 0 elsewhere. So we need to apply this function in one by one in Fourier sine transform as well as Fourier cosine transform. So we'll see one by one now. So first one will take what here. Now first one I will take Fourier sine transform, that is fs of u is equal to integration 0 to infinity f of x into sine of ux into dx. So in place of f of x we'll replace this, and in place of 0 to infinity we'll replace what here, 0 to 2. So therefore integral 0 to 2 fx will become what here, x, because second function of f of x is 0, we'll neglect it, we'll not write that one. So into sine of ux into dx. So now we need to simplify this integral by using what here, parts or by Bernoulli's. So on applying Bernoulli's formula, so our fs of u, that is sine transform, will become, so keep x as it is, integration of sine ux is with respect, sine ux with respect to x is what here, it is minus times cos of ux divided by differentiation of ux with respect to x is u. Formula minus differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 minus 1 upon u carry. So integration of cos ux is what here, sine of ux divided by u. Differentiation of 1 is 0, stop and close with the limit what here, 0 to 2. So once we get this, we need to simplify, then we need to apply what here, upper and lower limit. So therefore our fs of u will become what here, minus x cos ux upon u minus minus plus sine of ux divided by u into u will become what here, u square, 0 to 2. So we need to apply here the limits for as x is equal to 2 as upper and lower, and we'll see what will happen to our Fourier sine transform. So we'll apply upper and lower limit. So now, so replace x is equal to 2, so therefore minus 2 cos of u into 2, I will write it as cos of 2x divided by u, 2u divided by u plus sine of 2u divided by u square, upper limit minus lower limit, replace x by what here, 0. So 0 into entire will be what here, 0 here, plus sine of 0 is again what here, 0. So lower limit completely will become 0. So therefore on simplification it will become finally fs of u is equal to, so positive term I will take first, that is sine of 2u upon u minus 2 times cos of 2u upon u, sorry, this is u square, so sine 2u upon u square minus 2 cos 2u upon u. So this is our required Fourier, this is what here, required Fourier sine transform. Now we'll find a second one also. We know that fc of u is equal to integral 0 to 2 x cos ux into dx, because f of x is x only here, so cosine transform is given by fc of u is equal to it is 0 to infinity f of x into what here, into cos of ux into dx. So x f of x value is x. So on applying Bernoulli's, so by Bernoulli's rule, we'll get what here, fc of u is equal to, keep x as it is, so integration of cos ux is what here, sine of ux upon u, formula minus differentiation of x with respect to x is 1, so 1 upon u you carry, integration of sine ux is what here, minus cos of ux upon u, differentiation of 1 is 0, stop it and close with the given limit 0 to 2. So once we get this, so we need to again rearrange and then apply upper and lower limit. fc of u is equal to, it is x sine of ux divided by u minus minus plus cos of ux divided by u into u will become u square, limit 0 to 2. So now we'll apply upper and lower limits. So therefore fc of u is equal to, if you apply x is equal x by what here, 2, so 2 sine of 2u divided by u plus cos of 2u divided by u square, this is upper limit, minus lower limit if you apply, if you replace x by what here, 0, so 0 into sine u into 0 is what here, 0, plus cos of 0 is 1, 1 upon u square will get. So therefore on rearrangement, so fc of u is equal to 2 sine 2u divided by u plus cos of 2u upon u square, so minus into plus will become minus 1 upon u square. So we got, this is a Fourier cosine transform, or on taking LCM we can elaborate one more step. So on taking LCM, f or fc of u is equal to, if you take a LCM as what here, u square, so we'll get what here, 2u sine of 2u plus cos of 2u minus 1. So on taking LCM, so we'll get, so which is nothing but what here, required Fourier cosine transform. So in this way we can simplify, or we can find the values of Fourier sine transform or cosine transform of the given function f of x.